Kotoko ne Medeama game no. A Midfield game. If you win the Midfield, you win the game.
Well, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, ene Medeama Sporting Club, or the Babayara Sports Stadium. You could see Wontumi more discussion about the Ghana Premier League over the weekend games, Ebebasno.
Medeama Kotoko, a game. I also catch them young at another game. Catch 4 p.m. Oh, Babayara. A match, papa. This is in only opponent, and I say team on the bottom from pa. A Medeama. Na Kotoko asesa Nentoma kakra from possession inclined side to a more direct nature under coach Zito. So unza from Ogumhobano. Na Kotoko passe. Our build up were more tailored, more short passing sequences from Achiro. You can always see say second phase will be involved in Team Manu or Justice Blay or Che Jamana. And Sanya are connecting to the final third with Fege or Imbella. That was in the days of Coach Ogumno. More measured build up. First phase, second phase. You can always analyze the phases. Bako Zito, you know. Yo, defense or 1, 2, 3, we go. 1, 2, 3, we go. So they come up against a very contrasting opponent. This season, that is Zito. But for Tanko or the ball, the baby to from up on the paper. No matter switch flanks or Kevin Kroma, the refugio on the wingers, in FIFA or God knows Japasu, Manuel Mante, Monfifio, Prosper or Usu blaster material. Who holds that boy from Kotoko? And the man could just say today, Larry, that was from no. Now, the other day I was telling you, Chelsea Basa game, me catch us any method battle. What defense may stay resolute, you know. When I watch chance over win this game, okay? Yeah. Kotoko ne Medeama game no, a Midfield game. If you win the Midfield, you win the game. Kotoko ne Medeama game 4 p.m. Yakopo Yadma Sunday.
Who means one hour Midfield, an option on a day.
Yeah. Because Medeama Midfield 2, Eura national team. Oh no. But Hilary could you set so form pa. But the Midfield will win the game. Kotoko can never boast somebody attacking a win the game. Who is the leader of that attack? Abatamo ko anymore toothless. Kwampoku hu ne form no ba bi afa. Enye me na make fans ne kama mete. Na de me amde mani ahwe so kwampoku form atiko. Yo, I don't know why at this point of the season Kotoko can lose a weight like Abatamo, but we are not going back. What I want to put across and say the final third, chances on being a krabi. So if Kotoko wants to really stay in the game and some more midfielders, a bedjuma, no defense and a support. So what do many Koto attackers and so there? I am sorry. But for Medeama, I think in terms of defensive balance, two teams now, goalkeepers and Felix Che, and of course, when you Kamara near Aziz, midfield will be the difference. Yamiadma Sunday game. Away from that, Brekum Chelsea, and you're very careful against Samatics. A gamer, and you drew, but Mimi who say their best could be draw. Brekum Chelsea has lost a certain mojo, a certain aggressive part of their game. It's lost. First radio before we do Golden City, wow, you say yes, but say there's some level of certainty. So opponent and usually one or 5 points in including the Kotoko Diakoyomon and say one of the best teams currently our Ghana Premier League in Mathematics. When goalkeeper no, or frustrate you. They have never been short of quality in that department. Kofi Bana Domoko Africa no. After that, they've been very much excellent. And one of the best center backs, me, if 5 from everybody did the captain. A Juma ya bought Kamara Basso, Kamara, Kotoko center back with Samba. Ya bought Samba Basso, ya bought Benezaba, Basso Razak, Simpson, ya bought Basso, ya bought Gideon and Basso, Bibiana Ghosters. I am telling you the same job. And a Beneza Aqua, you need to fight him all 90 minutes long. Other than that, you are not going past him. He's one of the best. And Solomon Ajay, I mean, what worse? I mean, if I'm describing hype in the home. The born out now, shut or the Baba. In fact, most assisted in Famra. That is the Solomon Ajay. What's an American? One starting against Kotoko. But against Brekum Chelsea, I know that guy will start. Top creators this season. Obobo Berima Bar of Goal Stars or free. Obobo Solomon Ajay, Obobo Peter Miduakwa. And Solo will face Brekum Chelsea. This is the guy on your screen. Yeah, of Fawa is Ochano. Into a neighbor Doris or Tori, Mudia, and Fifi Hodia by year Sunday, Papa.
Mate new league no home command in Mesa.
Oh, of course. Yeah. I'm say for the Ghana Premier League, you know.
Things me come
essential at all. Essential at all. League in the movie pa. The movie, you know, I was a certain decisions be on my year. I think this is a bold step from the FA to sanitize the system kakra.
My idea pa.
This is a bold. This is a
few
bold.
years down the lane. Ket must start to catch them young. A man me no o man nya sa akwa
me de enti amama ni age de omo ye ne ho ne ye se yawo la for the past 2 weeks ye wie Ghana Premier League week bia na the major discussion about refereeing decisions what am I say and the reason why you amplify those refereeing decisions ne say it is coming from the most experienced referees in our leagues. Yeah, that is where the issue is. If your most experienced referees for one ever, it would also this week here sanitize the system in him. Baby, I free set tension be wo game because definitely Kotoko Medeama tension be wo. Definitely Brekum Chelsea ni Samatex tension be wo. Then over House of Folk division tension be wo. So to sanitize the system, your man could have we mumbe game in the area. But the odi Kotoko ni nations Akrugu. Kotoko ni nations games. Newton, you know, taking decision mean Newton can say wake experience with your conje da. Kebi akabai na akra wasa point and that game is so toy pitch na e basa. Unya baby anyina born na wiem tum we pim we tum. Kemi sen kabai na akra kemi sen ka experience with your penalty be so ama baby kro isu ya. But this is the bold step that I expect the FA to take and Omasa so take at the boy how the weekend will go. But I think interestingly for Adriana Stars, me share omu game on because it's a league in a bobo from first to fourth. A separate omu 3 points and a separate these teams. Now Kotoko will be playing at home. House of Folk ebebo ofie. House of Folk can share any good home record. But mukwa away omu ni shepa. Kotoko so Adriana Baha for 1 point. Heart of Lions about befa 1 point. It raises an issue about how or more ye league ni mu a ya omuji league ni bi mani ye no. Kotoko ni omu bo ofia or struggle. And Medeama a good test. Menim say bi Accra Sports Stadium so be say bibi di amahasa. Then oba be say Adriana Stars ebe travel akobo Gold Stars. That is another big game. Yow, big game. Big game pa. Na me hwe how Adriana Stars be pick up the pieces. For table ni ma me na me hwe ade bi kakra about baby any Gold Stars. Any baby omoda. Any adwuma omo ye ni die ntia wo say Adriana Stars ye careful going into this particular game. Yaw, e wo fie no for baby any Gold Stars. Players omo sensan ni nyina omo de ba nyina na amafo nim say bi ankora we omo ntimi improve. But then share the performance of Berima Ban said na Newton ka wan sa. Now Gold Stars toss of fit no mobile Africa, a humiliating resource. Now they come back into the league, and then omo players na one morning in air fire, Berima Ban fire, Atakumi fire, Samson Aduku fire. They are one of the most tactically disciplined teams I've seen in the league this season. Yow, and Coach Amankwa Juma na wo ye no, me mo na baso. Yow, enye easy say obidu beji league. No aja hono mako. Now, as an assistant manager, I have a fat team, then you are getting positive results. It doesn't normally happen. Opportunity comes but once, but we utilize the opportunity. We're utilizing the year. Yeah, no credit any money and in that se Coach Amankwa beti ma yejuma. Even when they missed out on Maswa Kunadu. No, Biana, ye, assembly, Gold Stars so much. But you see, the squad they have. So when Timmy and created the needed balance, more when Timmy and Fenya resource. Ubenya nam dodo bebre won kwan nam kwan nchine twem. Ba fo amankwa wa yem kwan na yem kwan de nam na guma manam na fa. I'm the China Guam and also be the Anayode.
Okay.
Because asking myself how certain players can complement each other in this team. By our command, yedi na so players are more injury nyamayo. If Adriana Stars be share team back wa din after Kotoko game your ball 1-1 na back up pa Kuchaman quest team. Imano Mafu mu be share players brutal. Alex Boachimu ko share striker. Samuel Atakumi is the battle of the best strikers in the league this season. Samuel Atakumi. Any Imano Mafu.
You know, 6-6. Ya baba be doing go china. Ya baba to us but easy ba Shadrack mama menye we no real quick na easy embra na o mama to us we anu me ba ho na fe wahwe Jedi kan happy birthday.
Well, Saturday team is of the say unsubscribe but more so be subscribe the Fabulous Zone. You be banana the more stories as they about for porcupines by porcupines.